Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Got a little confession to make. I've actually made, I'm making the Loco Moco, which I've actually made before. It's been a while back, but I actually didn't have any new ideas this month, or this week. I was thinking, well, maybe this, no, maybe this, no. And then actually Mark Kratz had made the Loco Moco on his channel, and I thought, man, it looks really good. I had to do that, so I'm gonna do it. Even though I've already made it before. I got some rice cooking. I got some rice on, because the Loco Moco is a Hawaiian, it's their regional Hawaiian burger. So it doesn't come with a bun, it gets served on rice. But I thought it'd be good to make it, and it just sounds good too, so let's get to it. So first of all, I'm excited to announce I have a brand new stove. My buddy texted me and said, hey, you want a stove? And I said, yeah. He said, well, this was a demo model that they had no plans for, and he asked if he could have it, and nobody cared, so it ended up at my place. Of course, I still have to get rid of the old stove, but this is actually the second time I've cooked on this since I've had it, so there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, because I got to learn its little, you know, I got to learn, you know, the buttons, you know, where the sweet spot is on the temperature gauges. Because, you know, my other stove, I had to really turn it up a lot higher, because when I was cooking breakfast this morning, I noticed I didn't have to turn the heat nearly as high, so I got to learn its little nuances. I haven't even baked in it yet, so yeah, so I got the rice going, and which is back here. I'm using supportive cookware, and I'm going to cook the burger in here. And I'm also going to make gravy. I'm going to be making a few changes to this. The original recipe doesn't call for mushrooms, but I'm going to add a couple because I like mushrooms, as most of you probably know. I'm only going to add 2. And some garlic, which doesn't normally come with garlic either. But you know, the recipes aren't written in stone. You can make them how you want. I'm also going to add 3 cloves of garlic, because I still got to use this garlic up, which I bought pre-peeled, which is pretty nice. So I'll just dice it up real small. Alright, so I got some ground beef here. This is just a 3rd pound I bought at the store. Because tomorrow I'm going to go make my parents' dinner. So I didn't want to buy a whole pound of ground beef. I only need 1 patty. I'm just going to get it prepped. I got 5 minutes and 42 seconds on the timer for the rice. Just you gotta boil it for 12 minutes and then let it sit for 10. So, alright, so rice is 45 seconds away from being done. You can see the coils underneath the burner. I got the pan heating up. Alright, rice is done. Move the burner off. Of course, I got stuff I gotta clean off now with the contrasting colors of the stove. Oh, I guess the pan wasn't hot enough. It's there's no color contrast because of the black skillet with the black top. Alright, because I cooked this patty, I flattened this patty out pretty well, so I'm going to go ahead and just pull it, set it on a plate. I'm also going to throw in some bacon fat. If I, oh, come off, come on. Oop. Damn it. I'll saute my mushrooms. Now originally this burger comes with it's originally cooked with grilled onions, but those who know me, you know I don't like onions. Well, a little salt, but not too much because of the bacon fat. Already gonna have some salt in it. And I got some garlic here. It's never a great idea to start with garlic because garlic can burn. I'm recording, right? Okay, good. Okay. I'm going to throw in just a little bit more fat. And the reason why is because I'm going to be adding I want that little fat in there because I need to mix the flour in. So, put in some flour. Not a ton. You just stir that up. Okay. And then you pour in some stock. This is unfortunately, twice I went to the store and twice I reminded myself, Mark, buy beef stock. And twice I forgot. Yeah, that burner was actually pretty ripping, so I should have turned it down more. Actually, that's coming together pretty nice. And then I've got one final ingredient, which is some bacon bits, which is not part of the original recipe either, but no worries. That looks actually really good. Let's slide that off. Because I want to get a burner on, because this gets topped with 2 eggs. So the Loco Moco actually gets topped with 2 eggs. And as always, I always pepper my eggs. Those eggs are getting real close. I don't want you guys to miss the flip, so alright. The flip. I didn't screw it up this time. Sweet. Go ahead and kill the burner. And let's assemble. We got my rice here. So how this goes, you just go with rice. And then you go, that is too hot. I don't want to burn my hand. Oh, reach around the camera. So here's my gravy with the beef patty. Goes right on top. And then gravy right on top of that. And the eggs. Now, because I didn't put any onions in it, I got these fried crispy onions that I bought. We're just gonna throw some on there. Don't worry, these are deep fried onions, so. Alright. Alright, let's taste. Thinking about my dinner tonight too, so. that egg with the. I got the new oven right in front of my table. Otherwise, I'd be sitting at the table. Oh yeah. Highly recommend making this. And of course, make it however you want. But it's phenomenal. Really is a good meal. The rice, the beef patty, the eggs with the, I like the yolks broken. I'm sure you can do the eggs over medium or over hard if you wanted to. Just break the yolks, cook them fully. Alright, well that concludes this week's Cast Iron Wednesday. Don't forget to check the playlist. I think it's this side. And last week's video will be probably here. Playlist will be, actually last week's video will probably be here. Playlist will be here. Subscribe to my channel there. As always, I do thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your week. And we'll catch you in the next one.